Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. This is LAKSHMI ANJANA SANKU. Today I would like to tell about the multiplication table in Word Excel. Okay, first of all, enter in a first cell 1 and press Ctrl and drag this up to the 10 numbers. Now in this cell, enter 1 and drag this up to 10 numbers. In first cell, equal to A2 star. Star means here multiplication and B1. Now place dollar symbol before the A2 and then place dollar symbol after B. Now press Ctrl plus enter. This is the multiplication table. Okay. Thank you.